A very good morning, my dear student. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Myself, Ritu Chandrol, your EVS teacher, I welcome you all to this online session of teaching. Children, in the previous class, I had taught you the chapter that is lesson number 4, Clothes We Wear. As you all know this thing, children, explanation of lesson number 4 is already been completed in the previous online class. So, today I will proceed further and I will provide you the notes of the lesson number 4, that is clothes we wear. So, my dear student, you have to write down this notes in your EVS textbook with pencil. Children, look at this picture. As you can see, it is written, children, you have to write the book exercise with pencil. You have to write the book exercise with pencil. Children, you can see the book exercise in your EVS textbook, that is page number 26. Lesson number 4, Clothes We Wear, page number 26. Children, exercise portion. First, I will tell, fill in the blanks. Number 1 fill up is, we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. CLOTHES, cloths. Second, we get cotton from cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. COTTON, cotton. Number 3, we wear woolen cloths in winter. We wear woolen cloths in winter. WOOLLEN, woolen. Number 4, some people wear uniform to work. Some people wear uniform to work. UNIFORM, uniform. Number 5, unwashed and soiled clothes can cause skin diseases. Unwashed and soiled clothes can cause skin diseases. SKIN, skin. Second one, write S for summer clothes and W for winter clothes. Children, this is activity homework for you. You all have to do this because it is a activity homework for you all. I will explain you how you have to do this one. Children, first you have to look at the picture very carefully. Identify the picture. For summer clothes, you have to put S in the box. For winter clothes, you have to put W in the box. In this way, you have to do this activity. Third, write T for true and F for false statement. Number 1. We wear cotton cloths in winter. False. 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 Second, we wear uniform to school. True. 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 Number 3, we should wear dirty clothes. False. 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 Number 4, some people wear uniform to work. True. 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 Number 5, we get wool from the cotton plant. False. 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 Children, again, this is also activity homework for you. Children, first you have to identify the people in uniform and name them. This is activity homework for you all children. You have to first identify the people in uniform and then you have to write the name. Children, you have to write this question answer in your EVS textbook with pencil. Children, you have to write this question answer in your EVS textbook with pencil. Children, now I am providing you the notes of the question answer. You have to write down this question answer in your EVS textbook with pencil, that is on the page number 27. Lesson number 4, clothes we wear, page number 27. Answer the following question. Number 1 question, how do clothes protect us? Answer, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Second question, of clothes do we wear in winter? Answer, we wear woolen cloths in winter. We wear woolen cloths in winter. Question 3, why do some people wear uniform? Answer, some people wear uniform because it helps us to identify people easily. Some people wear uniform because it helps us to identify people easily. Question number 4. How can we protect ourselves from rain? Answer. We wear raincoat or carry umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. We wear raincoat or carry umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. Question number 5. Why should we wear clean clothes? Answer. We should wear clean clothes to look smart. We should wear clean clothes to look smart. Thank you, my dear children.